Okay, they go discuss. All right. Let's go.
I want to say clearly, this is another assignment, very serious assignment, to keep villages, to keep families together is not an easy task. So you are given another honors task to keep the values, the culture of your people. These days, when education and innovation is starting to take away all our values and culture, it's a very big assignment, and I know they are equal to the task. Look at the political class. Everyone is here from Akpoto to Degena to Asatoro. Shows that they have love for you. Before Rabbi OJUKAYE, yeah, I have to tell you that a lot of things are happening, and more things will happen. So please use your position for the interest of your people. Do not use your position to divide the community. Use it to unite them, use it to bring development. And I believe knowing you well, you will do the right thing. So on behalf of those who came with us, all the people, particularly our leader, Chief Ferdinand Alabama, who has shown uncommon leadership, a man of principle, a man of integrity. It is difficult in this part of our society to find a man at his age. So many people at his age, you see them here, you see them there. In the morning, they are by the right. In the afternoon, they go left. In the night, they are the center. Chalababa is a man of integrity.
On Jesus' name, on righteous name, I say, I rest on His unchanging grace. In every eye, rest on Him. I am Thomas, we in the veil.